I started out as a student lacking in confidence and who relied on other people's words to get my points across. I believe that I have become a richer thinker by virtue of the education that I received via the tutorial method. The great advantage of the tutorial method is in its challenge to educators and to learners to shift away from hierarchical, traditional, static methods of teaching and learning where students are not contributors to knowledge. The way the tutorial method works is by developing a sequence of teaching and learning that revolves around a challenging, thought-provoking question to challenge and push the learner's learning. The tutorial itself is a conversation that's held on a small group basis. The tutor's role is to ensure that all the students in that tutorial are deepening their knowledge and understanding of the topic at hand by talking to one another, challenging one another, looking to different resources to support what they've said with evidence. We support educators, students, people who train, apprentices, and employees in institutions, organizations, and companies across the world to build tutorial methodology in their teaching, their learning, and their professional development regimes.
Even if you're not specifically doing the tutorial method, the things that make up good teaching are embedded in the tutorial method.
So novice mentors will come in and having this understanding of mentoring in the way that they were mentors, being told what to do.
They often lack a lot of confidence in the experience they have.
We want them to be more reflective around their practice.
By incorporating the Oxford tutorial method, the relationship between the mentor and the mentee becomes more collaborative.
Where they are able to synthesize what they're reading with what they're actually seeing in schools.
Understanding what they're doing and why they're doing it.
I think they can boost their confidence, recognize that they do have knowledge they're already bringing in.
The tutorial method really pulls out that reasoning from the teachers and allows them that space to kind of reflect and analyze on their own.
That it's actually, two people working together, not just one holding the knowledge and instilling it into the other.
Our vision is to build an international community who are united by this view that everybody across the world deserves access to this sort of education, particularly those people from communities who've been told that certain types of learning have not been made for them.